friends, welcome back to Miss Ocasio Reads. I'm Miss Ocasio and I'm so excited to read with you today. Have you ever built a snowman? Today we'll adventure with Kinslie as she teaches her little sister Kallie how to build a snowman. But first, whoa, I can't wait for Kinslie and Kallie to see me. The Incredible Adventures of Kinslie and Kallie, How to Build a Snowman by Joseph and Dana Wood. Hey, do you want to build a snowman? Kinslie asked excitedly. Sure, but sis, do you know how to build a snowman? Kallie asked. I've been making snowmen for a whole 4 years. That's longer than we've been sisters, Kinslie bragged. Now, Kallie, rule number 1 to build a snowman is you have to have fun. Having fun is what gives our snowman life, Kinslie said in her teacher's voice. Our adventures are always fun, Kallie said. Let's start with the bottom snowball. This snowball is going to be the biggest snowball ever, Kinslie grinned. Like this? Kallie asked. That is a great-looking snowball. Keep rolling and rolling, sis, Kinslie said. Next, we have to build our snowman's belly, Kinslie said. Wait, if snowmen have bellies, what do they like to eat? Kallie asked. Snowmen love to eat marshmallows and drink hot chocolate, Kinslie said, as they continued to roll the snow. Together, the girls put the snowman's belly on top of the bottom snowball. The last snowball we have to create is, Kinslie started to explain. Hold on, let me guess. I bet we have to build the snowman's head, Kallie said. Great job, you are so smart, Kinslie said proudly as they placed the snowman's head on top of the other 2 snowballs. How do snowmen see? Kallie asked. Well, snowmen have 2 black rocks as eyes, stated Kinslie. How come we use rocks for the snowman's eyes? Kallie asked. You see, rocks come in all shapes and sizes, just like our eyes do, informed Kinslie. The girls gently pushed in the eyes on the snowman's head. Wait, don't eat the carrot, Kinslie yelled. Why not? A confused Kallie asked. Because snowmen have the longest and brightest orange carrot nose we can find, stated Kinslie. Wow, snowmen must be able to smell from super far away, an amazed Kallie said as she pushed the orange carrot into place on the snowman's face. Can I add the snowman's smile? Kallie asked hopeful. Of course you can. What do you want to use for our snowman's smile? Kinslie asked. Let's use those 5 red rocks over there, Kallie said with excitement. Great idea, said Kinslie, a proud big sister. One by one, the girls added the red rocks to the snowman's smile. Won't our snowman get cold out here? Mentioned Kallie. Yes, it will. How about we put my hat on its head and use your scarf to keep its body warm, suggested Kinslie. Oh my gosh, you do know everything about snowmen, Kallie said amazed. How is our snowman going to have a snowball fight with us? Asked Kallie. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We have to grab 2 sticks, answered Kinslie. How about these 2, suggested Kallie. They are perfect, Kinslie grinned, as they each stuck 1 arm in each side of the snowman. Are we done yet? Kallie said impatiently. Almost. We have 1 more thing we need to do before we are finished, Kinslie said. We built the snowman, put a scarf and hat on it. We gave it eyes, a nose, a smile, and 2 arms. What else do we have to do? Kallie said puzzled. You see, every living thing has a name. We haven't given our snowman a name, Kinslie preached. Oh, I know. Can its name be Blessing the Snow Lady? Kallie asked. That's a perfect name for the best snow lady ever, Kinslie rejoiced. How come you wanted to name our snowman Blessing? Kinslie asked. Because I'm so blessed to have a big sister I can go on so many adventures with, Kallie admitted. Oh, thank you. I love you so much, a happy Kinslie said. Dear Miss Ocasio and friends, we hope you enjoyed reading The Incredible Adventures of Kinslie and Kallie, How to Build a Snowman. There will be more adventures with Kinslie and Kallie soon. As the girls said, we all come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, so remember to treat others with love and kindness. Love always, Joseph Wood. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story. What kind of special things will you add to your snowman to make him unique? Ask your grown-up for help in the description below, downloading a fun activity to go along with this story. See you next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.